Hi there. So I thought I'd take you along over our 4th of July weekend. We had a lot of fun. Most of my family set up a tent in my brother Kenny's yard. Him and Jenna, they live in a little cabin on the lake. And my dad, he lives like a little ways down on the same lake, so it was cool to hang out with my dad. That's my dad driving the boat right there. But I thought maybe you guys would want to come along with us. I know a lot of you like to hang out with our family, so this is not really garden related, but you're welcome to come along and just share the weekend with us. This is us out on the boat. Kenny and Carson were having a sort of a competition. I was maybe the one competing for them, but they were each trying to catch the most amount of fish. And so that's what we were doing out here, just kind of trolling, fishing, listening to music, and enjoying each other's company. Alright, so as you can see, Kenny beat Karsten, and no offense, Kenny, but this is probably the first time anyone has ever beat my brother Karsten in a fishing competition, because he's pretty much the best. You got one? Look at, there's one right there. Right here, look at, see him?
Oh, that's right, last Sunday you guys did. Somebody else.
You got some?
Yeah.
Oh, good job. Did you get some, Layla? Oh, good job. 5? Wow.
How much do you have?
I had one, but I think he flew out. I wasn't paying attention. Right here. Oh. Oh, he's flying up right here. See him? Good job, Ted. You want me to throw it? Okay. Oh my God. Good job, Lilo. Here, Sim, I got... Oh, you're not looking for him? No, never mind. Wow, good job, Teddy. Good job, Teddy. That was so good.
Close it, close it. Look how many I got now.
Ew! Good job, Jenna.
I got this many fireflies.
Wow. Looks like 7.
Mom, I just
Wow, lots of fireflies. Oh, look. Put them in here so we can see them. They're lighting up. Wow. What are you guys doing?
Got something.
Yeah, we can do that. Yeah, we can do that.
Oh!
Get it! Oh! Oh! There you go, John.
What? So that night, most of my family slept in tents in my brother's yard. Nate and I went home because we had to go to church in the morning. But this is the next morning after church, before we went back over to my brother's house. My neighbors actually came over and asked if they could walk through the gardens. I know some of you have asked about that, if my neighbors ever stop to look at my gardens, and occasionally they do, and they'll ask to walk through it, and I'm like, absolutely, go for it. So this is a couple of my neighbors just taking a little stroll through the garden as Max and I watched. It was really fun. What are you doing? You're just being beautiful. Being beautiful. You're my beautiful boy.
Now ring the bell. Ring the bell.
Woo!
There it is.
I got Cletus. I rung the bell, now I get to hold Cletus.
Oh,
That's why it's walking.
Yeah, it is so fun, ain't it?
Yep.
So fun walking down this road.
Yep, the dirt.
Get your exercise
This is
in.
a little bit later on Sunday after church. After my neighbors toured the garden, we went back over to my brother Kenny's house. And you guys, this is my brother Michael. He is back from the army after serving 4 years in Germany. So we are so excited to have him back, and he got to spend 4th of July weekend with us. And this is us just kind of taking a walk. We ended up walking all the way down to my dad's house, and the kids were tired, so we grabbed my dad's golf cart and drove it back to Kenny's house.
He loves it. Good job, buddy.
You got it, Sim. You got it. Holy cow, Brett. Get it.
It's what kind of fish is that? What kind of fish is that?
That was like a catfish.
It's a bass?
I don't know.
Oh, it's a dogfish.
Yeah, I wasn't gonna grab that.
I didn't even know that existed.
Oh my goodness, that's huge.
Holy. I'm not
What
getting
is
that.
it?
What's in
Where was I?
that right in the face?
Show off. Come on.
Oh.
Roll that.
I don't know. Your balloon popped though. Here, do you want your camera back? Okay.
Somebody get Johnny! Get Coco! Did you get it?
Lucky you have the camera.
I know, yeah, look at me, I'm all wet now. It didn't really matter.
Are you coonhound? You swamp dog? You hunt dog? You coonhound? You swamp dog?